Fifth, find my friend's phone on how to create an account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have installed the application of MixerBox BFF. So just search for the application. Now as you can see, the app is installed on my device, so just tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the application on your device. Now make sure that you have a stable internet connection to use this application. Then the home screen will look something like this, where you will be given the access to share your real-time location with your beloved ones, keep track of their arrivals. So just keep on tapping on next. All you have to do is mention your email address and it will send you a verification code on your email ID that you have wanted to associate with the application, and you just have to verify your account and you will be able to create an account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.